Hey, I'm Harley, and this is your explainer on freight rail technology. Today's railroads are not your grandpa's railroad. Heck, it's not even your millennial's railroad. We are officially living in the future. Railroads are using everything from AI to drones to hundreds of real-time sensors riding on locomotives. In freight rail, tech empowers people. From augmented reality training to positive train control, employees use serious tools to help them do their jobs more safely and more efficiently. I'm talking about everything from remote-controlled locomotives to drones that inspect bridges. And the actual tech gear? Man, it is next level. Train inspection portals scan rail cars at full speed. Autonomous track inspection cars rack up hundreds of thousands of miles a year, and real-time data catches issues before they become problems. Railroads are even rolling out hydrogen and battery electric locomotives. Behind the scenes, Railinc is the industry's digital nerve center. Located in the Research Triangle in North Carolina, they analyze millions of data points in real time to keep things moving. While out in Pueblo, Colorado, MxV Rail's engineers and scientists are testing new safety solutions. Freight rail tech is futuristic, fast, and full of human smarts. Check out more of my videos at aar.org/Harley.